Hey guys, welcome back to Mind Prep Academy. Today we'll be learning about the chain rule. And so this is a continuation of our last video about derivatives. And so this is a way to figure out a function that has multiple parts to it. So in the actual definition of it, you're starting by taking the derivative of f of x. So you take f of x and then you leave the inside. So this g of x you just leave. And then you're going to take the derivative of the inside, which is the derivative of g of x, and then the derivative of the x. So that's basically what the chain rule definition is. And so we'll just apply that. Okay, example 1, find the derivative of the following. Okay, so in this problem, the outermost thing you see is this squared of the function. So you're going to start by doing the derivative, and you're going to do the power rule. So 2, leave the inside, and so that's the first derivative, or the derivative of the outside, and then you're going to multiply it by the derivative of the inside, and the derivative of the inside is just 4. So for this next one, you're going to do the derivative again of e to the 5x, and then you see the innermost part, the next part is the 5x, so times 5. Basically, that's how it's done. Okay, for this next problem, you're going to do the derivative, and then you're going to do the outermost part that we see here, so this whole thing together, so 12, and then you're going to leave the inside of 2, so I just did the power property, and then I'm going to do the derivative of the inside of the function, 3x squared, and that is it. You could distribute that all out and get a more simplified answer, but that is basically how you do it. Alright, for this next one, you could do the quotient rule and then do the chain rule with that, but there's a simpler way. If we move this up to the top like that and then take the derivative, then we will get, you can do the chain rule again. So I just basically did the same thing. I did the whole outermost part, and now I'm going to do the derivative of the inside, which is just 1, but if you had like 2x, it would be 2, and so on and so forth. Alright, for this next one, you can do the derivative, and so this whole thing is the same thing as 3 minus x to the 4th to the 1/2. So I'm just going to do the power rule and distribute, or bring down the 1/2, keep the inside, and then minus the 1. And then I'm going to take the derivative of the inside, third, and then you're done. Alright, so this one looks pretty complicated, but it's not as hard as you think. You just do the outermost part first. So I see the 4, so I'm going to do the power rule, bring down the 4, leave the inside, because I do the outermost part first. So I just did the power rule. Then I'm going to do the derivative of the inside, which is a quotient rule. So I'm going to do low derivative of the top, which is 2x, minus high, which is the top, and then the derivative of the bottom is just 1, all divided by low squared. And then you're done. Alright, so for this next one, we're going to do the whole thing. So I'm going to do the power rule, y prime, bring down the 2, leave the inside. Then I'm going to do the derivative of the next part that you see. So this whole part, do the derivative of the inside. So the derivative of sine is just a negative sine 3x, and then you see this next part of the 3x when you do the derivative of that as well. So times 3. And there you go. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did like the video, please be sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We'll be coming out with new videos shortly, and I'll thank you so much. See ya.